The voicemail tab gives you quick access to all your messages in one place. Let's switch over to it now. Here you can see your inbox with a count of total messages at the top, and each message listed with its status, caller information, date, and duration. Each message has a status badge. New voicemails that you haven't listened to yet are marked with a blue New badge. Messages you've already heard show a gray Saved badge. This makes it easy to see at a glance which messages still need your attention. The table shows the caller's name and number in the From column, so you know exactly who left the message. The Date and Time column shows when the voicemail was received, and the Duration column tells you how long the message is, so you can prioritize longer or shorter messages. To listen to a voicemail, click the Play button in the Actions column. An audio player appears right below the message, so you can listen without leaving the page. Click the Play button again to close the player when you're done. If a voicemail has an AI-generated transcript, you'll see a document icon. Click it to read what the caller said without listening to the audio. You can also click the Download button to save the voicemail as an audio file on your computer. To delete a voicemail, click the red trash icon in the Actions column. You'll see a confirmation prompt before anything is removed, so you won't accidentally delete an important message. That's everything you need to know about managing your voicemail. Check back regularly for new messages, listen or read transcripts, download important ones, and delete messages you no longer need, all from this one screen.